Hello, good evening. Good evening, beautiful people. It's me, your girl, Tracy Ojo. I'm here again to share a 3 wonderful steps to succeed in your home, in your relationship, in your marriage. But before I do that, if today is your first time of watching my video, please watch it to the end, okay? Support your girl. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for watching my video. And please don't forget to like my video as well and share. Share and press the bell. Don't forget to press the bell for the notification whenever I have some videos, so you'll be the first to see it. Please subscribe. God bless you as you do that. So I have 3 qualification things that we need in our home, in our relationship, or in our marriage. Okay? The first one is understanding. We need understanding, tolerance, and love. So what I mean by understanding, tolerance, and love. First one, a lot of us today, we use love as first. We use love, we put love first. We understand that we have to love one another, but a lot of people say love conquers all. For me, I'm not guaranteed with that word. No. Umbanu, Igbo say umbanu. I'm not guaranteed with that word as well, my darling, my lovers that is watching me today. I know and I understand perfectly that understanding is the first thing in life, in your home, in your relationship. Understand one another. When you understand each other, no matter issue that comes across your way, you will overcome it. Understand matters a lot. Don't put love first. You understand yourself in your relationship, then before marriage. Understand matters a lot. When you understand one another, you can move ahead. You can move ahead. And the second one says tolerance. You can tolerate. And I will use that tolerance again together with the understanding. When you understand each other, you can tolerate. You see the way the thing is going, the step by step. Understanding and you can tolerate. When you have understanding, you can still tolerate. You can still tolerate. When there is tolerance in your relationship, where there is tolerance in your marriage or your relationship grows. Today we see a lot of things in social media. Today we hear that husband kill his wife kill her husband. It's because of lack of understanding and tolerance. Because they put love first. No, you don't have to put love first. When you don't understand each other, where is the love? When you don't tolerate each other, okay, now tell me, where is the love? You said, I love this man, I love this woman. When she do a little thing, you give her boza, you slap him, you beat him, you beat her, or you pack your load, say, I don't do again, I don't want to marry again. Or you drive the woman come off for her, say, I don't want to marry again. And before both of you come together, on a love on yourself. Okay, now brother and sister, where is the love there? That love can never work when there is no understanding and tolerance in it. If those two things did not perfect together with that love, that love can never work and it will not stand. Okay? So before we love, we should try to understand and tolerate before our love can stand. Okay, beautiful people? That is what I have to share for you today. Those 3 things. So we should try to learn to understand and to tolerate before love. Okay? Thank you for watching my video. Please, if you are watching my video, watch it to the end. And don't forget to subscribe to your girl. Support your girl. Show some love to her. And please, thumbs up for your girl. Like my video and share. And don't forget to press the notification bell. So whenever I have any video, you will be the first to see it. So guys, enjoy my video and remain blessed. See you next time in my next channel. Bye.